The main difference with the mid-cycle refresh of the 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML400 is a replacement for displacement. The luxury midsize SUV comes standard with a 3.0-liter V6 twin-turbo engine with direct injection, which replaces the displaced 4.6-liter V8 engine. Accepting that change is constant, the ML will be renamed the GLE next year to fall squarely in the middle of the 5 SUV sizes offered by Mercedes, from the Hummer-like G to the compact crossover GLA. It ain't nothing but a G thing, baby, but in this case the G is German for Geländewagen, not gangsta. Introduced in model year 1998 and manufactured in Alabama, the ML400 is as American as German SUVs come. It appeals to that American predilection for vehicles that act small but feel big. It sits for adults with plenty of room, has plenty of pickup, and fuel economy improves in the all-wheel drive 4MATIC, from 14 to 18 miles per gallon in the city and 19 to 22 miles per gallon on the highway. It also starts at $3,500 more than the 2014 ML550. The 3.0-liter V6 twin-turbo engine with direct injection generates 329 horsepower and 354 pound-feet of torque, down from 402 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque in the ML550. Lead footers will miss the V8, but the V6 provides max torque at 1,600 revolutions per minute, so there is plenty of available pickup at every point. There is no turbo lag, so the ML can reasonably execute any maneuver and offer enough excitement to satisfy most SUV drivers. It's fast, but in quick lane changing situations there is a sway that reminds the driver of the height and girth that comes with any SUV. If speed is what you want in a luxury SUV, then pony up and spring for the AMG 5.5-liter V8. It's as quiet as a Lexus but handles like a Mercedes, cushioning road turbulence to make for a smooth, luxurious cabin ride that is expected from an $80,000 luxury SUV. Our model came with the Mercedes Active Curve System, $2,910, that decouples the stabilizer bars at the axles, so each wheel is more responsive to the terrain. Even though it's an off-road feature, it underpins the essence of this crossover: comfort.